Hi guys, so welcome back. Another week, another oil. Today we're going to talk about Melaleuca. But before we begin on talking about this amazing oil, I got a question for you. So I'm sure many of you use Clorox and Lysol products. I know I have. But would you ever use them on your face or in your hair? I'm thinking no. But this guy you can. So it's best known for its purifying qualities, useful for cleansing the skin and home surfaces. It purifies the air, it promotes a healthy immune system. You can ingest to protect against environmental and seasonal threats. This oil has over 92 different compounds and limitless applications. So it helps cleanse and purify the skin, nails, and hair. So I use it in my shampoo, high K. I put it in my conditioner. I put it in my body lotion and my face moisturizer. Depending on the size of the bottle, anywhere between 5 and 10 drops. If it's a bigger bottle, you probably have to put more as you get further down the bottle. A quick tip, I've totally eliminated shaving cream. So what I use is my conditioner because it has the Melaleuca in it, and I use that as a shaving cream. Melaleuca is frequently used on occasional skin imperfections and helps soothe the skin. So you get that funky blemish on your nose, on your chin, just a little bloop like that, and you just dab, and within a day or two, it goes. You can diffuse, drop in liquid, or 1 or 2 drops topically. So that's Melaleuca. It's also known as tea tree. So next week, I'm super excited. I'm gonna dive into Deep Blue from Salt Lake City, Utah, because doTERRA's having their convention next week, and I will be there learning all about the new scientific facts and research that they've done. There's going to be a special guest. Still don't know who that's going to be. They're introducing 11 new oils. I'm like losing my mind because I want to know what they are so I can share them with you. I'll be walking a lot. It's a big convention, lots of vendors, new products. Can't wait to go shopping. So I'll have this guy with me and I'll be using it a lot. So next week I'll be doing my Facebook Live from Salt Lake City, Utah. And I'll share as much as I can. I don't know how the cell phone coverage is going to be out there because there's going to be over, I think, 4,000 women and men participating in this convention. So also another announcement, on Saturday, I will be doing a brief webinar, 30 minutes at 3 p.m. Facebook Live, talking about the top 10 oils, a little bit about essential oils, about the company, and the way we use oils and how easy and cost effective we can get these oils into your home. So I hope you can join me then at 3 o'clock. All right, well, that's it for me. I gotta go run and get the kids. So you guys have an awesome day and a great weekend, and I'll see you next week at Salt Lake City, Utah. Woo! All right, bye. Take care.